This is called Equalizer APO. This is the software that you can use to boost your speaker bass, or increase your treble, or increase the highs, or as they like to say it, increase your lows, mid and high. So as you can see here, these are the frequency response of your audio equipment that you can increase or decrease. For me, this is what I use for my old speaker. I do not know if this is the correct setup, but this has to definitely increases the sub bass, also the mid bass. I don't know what to say it, and I don't want to offend anyone, but yeah, this is what I use to increase or correct the bass for my old speaker. And to download this, you can go to Google. Sorry, Bing. Search for Equalizer APO. Then you can just click on the first thing that came up and click on download. Your download will start shortly, because I have already downloaded it. I have already installed it too. I agree, next, and then you click install, right? Then for the first time, when you open this up, make sure to select your device. For me, it's my speakers, and I select my speakers and configure it to make sure that it's stereo. You don't want to put it on mono, because if you put it on mono and when you're playing games, you cannot hear the difference between sound coming from the left or is it coming from the right. And after that, make sure to click this. Make sure that it has the blue overlay here on the power icon, and then it's already active. And there you go. This is how you can increase the bass. You can also increase the gain, but which that I don't recommend. So yeah.